Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Jonathan Condor here. We're dry today, more record heat in the 80s, but the winds will be much higher, so we're going to see pretty bad fire danger conditions for today. Out the door, 60 degrees, almost 80 by lunch, high of 85 today. Those little triangles, we call those nuisance icons of whether it's going to be a nuisance today. It's going to be those winds. Highs today in the 80s. Record heat, record for today, 83. We'll go for 85. We have a wind advisory. That's for winds gusting over 40 miles an hour in spots in northwestern Oklahoma, gusts 50, 55 miles an hour possible. And then eventually those winds will shift. So beware the fire danger risk today. It's very bad statewide. Cold front will turn our winds to the north, so any ongoing fires after 10 p.m. would change directions. And then by tomorrow morning, hope you're ready. This cold front's it's a doozy, right? Wind chills will drop down the teens come tomorrow morning. So what do you got to do? Come pay me a visit. 9 o'clock this morning, we'll stream our newscast. Of course, we're on TV. All right, what do I need to show you? The cold front, the big changes coming up here with our temperatures, and then rain chances later this week, and even a chance of thunderstorms this weekend. Hope you can join us.